Hello guys and girls, today's video is going to be an interesting video because today's video I'll be unboxing and doing the review of the i12 Bluetooth AirPods. So without my time use, let's get started. Okay guys, this is the box that contains the i12 Bluetooth AirPods. Okay, don't mention the box because the box is of the i11. Okay, but this thing actually contains the i12. Okay, just a mistake. Okay, you can see on the back this thing is actually an exact copy of the Apple AirPods and nothing different because you can connect it with your laptop, mobile or your iOS device, and also the pop-up window opens in iOS like the original the AirPods. Okay, and you can see the picture also somewhat identical. Let's get into the box and see does this thing looks exactly like this or not. And here specs are written like with charging case. Okay, the only specs. Now let's open. You can see the twist can connect both the AirPods at the same time, and here is the AirPods. Let's keep it aside and now let's get into the box. And here you're getting a charging cable and instruction manual. That's all you're getting in here. And going to the charging cable, you can see the charging cable is very much identical to that of the Apple Lightning cable. You can see here the same cable is used for charging this AirPods also. Okay, that's why I told you that this is the exact same copy of the Apple. And I'm not sure about the sound quality. Let's check it out. Okay, this is the AirPods, and now let's peel this blue thingy off this thing. Yeah, and here is the Bluetooth AirPods. Yeah, it feels somewhat identical to the Apple AirPods, and also the build quality is also great. Yeah, great. And the charging port, you can see here the Apple's one. You can just plug it in and charge it. Okay, there is also a charging light indicator right here like this. Yeah, no charge. Okay guys, I have kept it for charging for about 50 minutes now, and now let's unplug it. You can see a charge indicator, red charge indicator blinking right here. It means that this thing is charging. And also while charging you can see here two individual red lights blinking on the AirPods. That means the buds are also charging. So let's unplug it. Okay, now let's open this thing. Okay, the build quality is great. Okay, and for turning this on, what you have to do is you just need to press this button right here. After pressing, you can see a blue light blinks right here, and open this thing. And talking about the lid too, the lid is a magnetic lid, you can see, and the quality of the lid is also great. You can see, yeah, a nice feeling touch. Yeah, like the original Apple AirPods, we also have a magnetic, not like the i9 which we have to close forcefully. And here let's take each part, and you can see a blue and red light blinking. It means that this buds is on now. Also these have the air triggers on the buds and connected, and now this will connect, one of them will connect to other. Okay, this bud is connected to this AirPod. So what you have to do is you need to connect this to your phone. Also this AirPod, the ports, each individual ports have a magnetic charging system on the below, and you also have a microphone and also have an air triggers right here. Okay, so if you want to turn it on, then just turn it off and just hold and press. Yeah, now it is off, and the other one is also off. And for turning on, just hold and press both of them. You can see turned on, and now one will connect to other. Okay, and now I have to connect it to my phone. I got my phone right here, and now let's connect. Okay, also if you leave this buds right here, leaving it for some time turned on without connecting, it will turn off automatically. Also, that is a smart feature at this price point. Okay, available devices, i12, pairing, pair. Okay, now it is connected, and now let's play a song. I'll play a song. Okay, you can hear the sound quality. Also the bass. Okay, let me try it out. Yeah guys, the sound quality is really great. It is beyond my expectations because the volume also very high, and also you have an air trigger for waking up your assistant. You can hold wrong press to wake up Bixby or your Siri or Google Assistant too, and also a play pause, fully air trigger, no switch buttons. Also works on both. Also you can turn on your volume. Also skip between the tracks by double clicking it. You see, a nice feature for this. And now about the mic quality test. See, that is the main thing that we need to test, because if the mic is better, the audio is better for sure. Very good, very good. Okay, and now the mic. Okay, the microphone should be better. So let's. Okay, then now the audio you're hearing from me is from the microphone of these AirPods. I hope it is better because I can't hear it, because I had to put this video on my PC for hearing it. Okay, you guys can hear it, and you guys can see the noise cancellation and also the loudness of the audio, and also the smoothness of the audio. You can hear it, how balanced the volume and bass is. Okay, I hope it's better because the audio was really great. Okay, so now about the external feature. Also another feature is just put it in. Yeah, it is also magnetic, the buds. Yeah, you can see that, and also the smooth click of closing. Okay, now the quality is great. This thing's quality is great. It is made up of high grade materials, you can see, and this charging port, its quality is also great. You can see it, really great. And on here you are getting an lock, means this closing and opening lock. This thing is made up of metal, so it won't come out very easily, so that is a good point. And also you have a grip for turning, opening and closing, and you can see here looks premium. No one will tell that this is a fake one. Everyone will feel it like the original AirPods. And the only difference between this and the Apple AirPods is the switch position. On the Apple, you will get the switch right here, and in this thing you are getting a switch right down, and the switch also feels premium, no problem, not looks like a cheap one. Okay, and also the main thing is, okay, about this charging case, you can charge the both individual AirPods 4 times in this charging case, and each individual AirPods have a playback time of 2 hours, so it is a total of 8 hours you're getting it in this. It is a decent playback time at this price point too. Yeah, and also the another interesting thing is this case is also a wireless charging case. You can charge it wirelessly by keeping it on a wireless charging pad. I currently don't have a wireless charging pad, so I can't show you guys that. Okay, everything feels premium. The sound quality is great, the mic quality is also great, and also hair triggers and all those features, and you are getting a premium type of earpods, like the exact same thing on the Apple. You can see here, if you want you can buy a case for this your AirPods, you can buy it. Okay, all the Apple and this thing also are of same size, so you can buy a case, protective case of Apple AirPods. It only costs about for a little of like $2 or something like that. You can buy it and it will fit in this thing very correctly, so you don't have to worry about all this time. Also, yeah, that's pretty much about this AirPods. Okay, a premium looking AirPods. And about this price, it is about, okay, considering its price is about, okay, considering either $10 you can keep it, and also about 600 rupees, so it is quite cheap too, considering the Apple very expensive one. So that's all about this Bluetooth AirPods from iTalk. Okay, you are not getting a wireless charging support on the i11. It is only available in iTalk, and also in i11 you are not getting a Apple type charger. You are getting the normal standard micro USB charger, even not the type C. Okay, so that's pretty much on in this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you're new to my channel, then please mention click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon too, so you guys won't miss a beep. If you like this video, hit the like button. Well, I am Abidamas from RBGT, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz. Niggas say they wrong. I don't know how I'm a prince here, man. All we talk about is change.